welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 10 and today I will be doing a mukbang. I got me some crafty crabs. Why are you watching me? I'm not starting it over. But yeah, so I got me a glass of water. And like I was saying, I'm doing crafty crabs and I got crawfish, corn, some eggs, oh my gosh, and some snow crab. And what else do I got? And I think I got some shrimp, a little bit of shrimp and some potatoes. Okay. Ooh, I got the, so yeah, I got this from, my boyfriend is over there watching me right now like a little weirdo. You want to say hi? Yeah. So I got the boom boom sauce and I got it in the spicy. We finna see how spicy it is. I love me some spicy food, so we finna see if this is spicy or not, for real, for real. I'm gonna start out with some crawfish. Ooh. I'll eat anything. I'll eat all of this, but it don't even matter to me. My boyfriend hates seafood. But I'll fuck it up. I'll fuck it up. I will. That's why he's not over here. Ooh, chow. Ooh, I gotta get me some water. A lot of people don't like to suck this out, the head of the crawfish, but I like to suck it. I'll even eat it. So I just got off work. And today, excuse me, and today was a long ass day. A lot of people I see on, and mind you, I love watching mukbangs. And a lot of people don't really eat the head of the crawfish. I don't know why. It tastes good to me. But yeah, I'll be eating it. Really, I just be chewing it. I'm gonna get a piece of egg. Some egg. Get me some more crawfish. This crawfish is good. And then the sauce is just all in it. You can't even see me taking it out. Ooh, child. I gotta remember that I gotta keep this thing up so y'all can see. And another thing that I don't like what other mukbangers be doing, they be like taking their precious time. You know, this is what they be doing, y'all. Ain't no disrespect. They be like, girl, if you don't put that whole thing in your mouth and eat it, if you don't put that whole thing in your mouth, man, this thing is so good. Crafty crabs boom boom sauce is the fucking best. And I'm cursing. I need to stop cursing. The thing is, it's hard to take it out of the shell. Another one. I'm real. If this is real country, baby, I'm real country because I like to eat everything. Okay, I'm back. I had to fix the. Now you can't even see my face. I had to fix the camera. But I do want to try beloved sauce. I'm gonna make my own mukbang one day. One day, I don't know when. And I'm gonna try beloved sauce. But until that day, ooh, child, I just ate something in that head. Maybe the head isn't to be ate, but why would they serve it if it's not to be ate? Ooh, child. And then another thing that, like, the mukbang YouTubers don't be eating is the body part of a crab. So I was born in Jamaica, and when I was in Jamaica, we used to eat crabs all the time. Like, that's where my love came from with crab. And we used to eat that junk. Everything used to be finished in that crab, okay? It's nothing. I'm gonna get a piece of corn. Some corn. Excuse me. When I tell you everything was clean off of that crab. Bro, this is how they be eating. It's just dissing other people at this point. They be like taking a little piece, like, girl, if you don't put that whole thing in your mouth, eat it out. Girl, if you don't put that whole thing in your mouth, am I the only one? Am I the only one that be like, girl, if you don't put that whole thing in your mouth? You know? Right. I like when they be full in their mouth for some reason. I like when their mouth be stuffed. I don't know about y'all, but oh, chow. Get another leg. I think I'm gonna try. I'm gonna invest and get some king crab. I used to work at a grocery store like almost a year ago, and they used to have like king crab legs, and I feel like I remember me buying it, but I don't remember at the same time, if that makes sense. Like, I don't remember me getting it, but I feel like I had it before. I love crabs so much. I'm gonna start doing more mukbang. It just be so expensive, you know. It's really expensive, and I don't got money like that to be buying seafood. Excuse me. But I don't know, like, I'm the type of person, like, I like watching mukbangs, but I like when they devour the food. Like I only watch like a certain people too. Like, I don't watch like, cause I don't really like how they be eating. I know it sounds weird, but I like what I like. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Oh shoot. Excuse me. But let me tell you my YouTube journey, y'all. So ever since I was young, like way before high school, and I graduated high school like almost 4 years ago. Way before high school, like, I was obsessed with YouTube. Like, I used to watch, I don't know if y'all remember, but I used to watch Girlfriends versus Boyfriend. I used to be so obsessed with them. And then when they broke up, I was like, oh my gosh, my world ended. And I wanted to be like them so bad, but I ain't got no boyfriend at the time. Pranks versus pranks. I used to watch all of them. Like, nobody new now. Like, they fake. All the new people now are fake, to be honest. Let's talk about that. But the real old timers knew about Girlfriend versus Boyfriend and Prank versus Prank. Prankster versus Prankster. But yeah, so I don't know, like, I always wanted to be like, do YouTube, and I didn't even know, like, till honestly, till I guess like my senior year of high school, I knew that I learned that YouTube paid, but I didn't even know that they paid. people for content. So like I was always like interested in being like a YouTuber. Cause I was so shy. And then when it comes to like like being by myself and talking to the camera, like I would I would prefer that over being around people. I don't know, it sounds weird, I guess. But if you relate, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much. And then I finally decided to do it, honestly. I mean, I don't really have a goal as far as like YouTube. Like I'm honestly, y'all probably hear this a lot, but I'm honestly just doing this for fun. Cause I'm in school right now. I don't really like the egg. Ooh, chow. Ooh. The egg is not my. Ooh. The egg is not my favorite thing. Ooh. I was gonna say. This thing is spicy. Okay. My nose is drooling and all. But I work all week this week. I'm so tired. Tomorrow's my day off. I'm just gonna relax. Thanksgiving is coming up. I'm just gonna eat and relax. Eat and relax. Ooh. But how is y'all day going so far? Let me know in the comments if I do have anybody in the comments right now. But ooh. Excuse me. I gotta make some triggering because there's a lot of nasty stuff going on. Another crawfish. But to devour this. This was a big boy. Honestly, that part is good. I don't know why people don't like it. I'm gonna eat another. Oh, this shaped like a heart a little bit. That junk was speechless. It definitely made me speechless. Eat the knuckle. This junk is so good. Oh snap! I had saw somebody eat some rice with this. And I was gonna make some rice. I had some rice in the fridge, but I'm already halfway. And then I don't know. I guess I'm not trying to bash nobody. Let me not say that. But I guess I'm just ranting. Ain't like nobody confused me. Ooh. Another leg. Yo, am I gonna put this out? Cause this is disgusting. Cause I'm drooling. Snotty nose everywhere. Not cute. I might not even put this out. If y'all see this, I put this out. I'm almost done. I got like 4 crawfish left and then a claw and like a half a corn. The corn is so sweet. That joint was good. It looks so dark in the back. Oof. Oof. Hold on. Y'all, I'm all combobulated. You don't look like nothing in here. But we gonna crack this to see. I be really wanting to like do YouTube, but no, it's nothing. I guess that's why nobody likes stone crab. Is that the cheapest crab? But ain't nothing in there. It's really nothing. Dungeon crabs are too small for me. Yeah. My boyfriend just asked me if my nose is running. My junk is running. It's running and it ain't stopped running. Yeah, so I don't really like the eggs so much. I'm not gonna lie, this is low-key salty. I taste the salt. Ooh. Yo. Oh shoot. Seafood is so messy. You gotta have like a place to eat all of this. Save the best for last. I mean, I still got the small piece, but y'all, look how much. Oh, ain't nothing fell on the floor. That's not no meat, thank God. But we got this. The claw's always the sweetest part of the crab. I mean, I don't got nothing else. That was good. That was some good junk. I just had the crawfish head. Now I'm about to go scare my boyfriend with them. Just have 3 crawfish head. And I am full. This junk was good. But thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, next mukbang, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, let me show y'all. Oh, my hands are messy, but just. Okay, y'all saw. All right, see you guys later. Bye.